This video provides specific instructions for using the Excel Data Analysis and Reporting Assistant. This agent is designed to help users analyze uploaded Excel files and generate multi-dimensional reports, which are then sent to a specified email address. On the Initializing interface, upload the Excel file for analysis. Here we upload a local file. Confirm the correctness of the file. Enter the recipient's email address for receiving the analysis report. Then click Start Chat to continue. Enter the further requirements. The agent can analyze both multiple datas and specific data. Take the example. Here we ask it to analyze the multiple orders data. The green icon means the current node run normally. If you want to know the running of each node, please click the arrow icon to check. The agent will generate the analysis report with multiple modules, including total orders processed, order status, SLA compliance, and more. Also feedbacking some valued suggestions. The content in email is the same on conversation. If you have any further request, please fill and ask the agent to reanalyze. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Excel Data Analysis and Reporting Assistant.